Our students, our topic is concerned retirement of a partner. Previously, some questions we have solved retiring the partners. Now, this is the question number 37. Under this question, it has been asked here, you are required to prepare revaluation account, partner's capital account, and the balance sheet after B's retirement. Now come, I have prepared the revaluation of the revaluation account of the firm. Now see, here in this question, stock and land and building appreciated by 10%. So stock increased by 2,000, land and building increased by 3,600 because both assets increased by 10%. Plant and machinery and computer printer reduced by 10%. So here plant and machinery reduced by 2%, 10% 2,800. Computer printers reduced by 10%, 800. After this now, there is a liability 2,000 for the payment of outstanding salary. I have noted down here outstanding salary, unrecorded, not recorded, recorded. Credit side of the revaluation account is coming 7,600 and balance we are getting 2,000. It is our revaluation profit distributed between A, B and C in the ratio 4:3:3. Three partners are there, A, B and C. Ratio 4:3:3. B is the retiring partner. Understood? B is the retiring partners. Now, A entitled to get the revaluation profit 800, B 600 and C 600. According to the PL appropriation, PL profit and loss sharing, we have distributed the profit among the partners. Later, after the preparation of revaluation account, we are required to prepare the partner's capital account. Now, particulars amount. Draw the format. First of all, write down balance brought down. Opening balance of the partner's capital of the A32, B 24,000 and C 20,000 noted down. Later, we are getting the revaluation profit 800, 600, 600. So write down revaluation profit now 800, 600, 600. After this now result has been given here and result is now total 20,000. So distribution 8,000, 6,000 and 6,000. And one thing is there in the question, goodwill of the firm is valued 14,000. Total funds goodwill 14,000. B is the retiring partner and B share is 3/10. So we have to find out the B share of goodwill. B share of goodwill we have to find out. 14,000 funds goodwill, B share 3/10, it will come 4,200. And now it will distribute it among the remaining partners A and C in their gaining ratio. So now gaining ratio 4:3 because B has already retired and 4:3. Now it will come the gaining ratio because 3/10 taking over by A and B in the same ratio 4:3. So gaining ratio will come 4:3. Now so A bear 2,600 for goodwill and C bear 1,800. For this purpose, you should pass our entry for your understand. Now remaining partners capital, H capital account debit. After this C's capital account debit, or you have to write to B's capital account. Now A is entitled to 2,400, B is 1,800. Total now 4,200. Point is clear. Okay, now B's capital. So A 2,400 and C 1,800. And here now B's capital account. Understood now. A 2,400 and C 1,800. Later, first of all, in this question it has been asked here. Amount payable to B is to be transferred to his loan account. B is the retiring partner. If question is silent, then we have to transfer to his loan account. Not it is stated, definitely we have to go accordingly. Now add B's capital, we will get here job is 24, 6, 30, 32,000 and here 846. Now 34,800. Transfer B's loan account. B's capital balance transfer B's loan account. And rest A's capital we are getting 40,800. C's capital 26,600. Here I have noted down 40,800 or 26,600. So balance CD now 38,400 and 24,800 is the balancing figure. After this we are to prepare the balance sheet. Creditors 7,000 given the balance sheet, nothing increase or decrease. Bills payable 3,000, nothing increase and decrease. And B's loan account, now see, it will be transferred to the liability. It will become the liability for A and C, new file. So B's loan account 34,800. Later outstanding salary unrecorded. So outstanding salary 2,000. And after this now A capital, C's capital balancing figure of A 38,400 and C 24,800. Write down 38,400, 24,800. This side land and building increased by 3,600, 39,600. Plant and machinery increased. Plant and machinery decreased by 2,800, 25,200. Computer printer decreased by 800. Now it will be 7,200. Stock increased by 2,000. It will be 22,000. Debtors, all provision, all debtors are put clearly mentioned here in this question. So the debtors are considered to be good. That's why provision for DDB are recorded here, understood. So debtors remain the same, 14,000. Provision won't be subtracted. Later bank balance remains the same because nothing, cash is not incoming and not outgoing, neither inflow nor outflow. And after this add all these items. Here getting in the balance sheet liability side you are getting 1,10,000 and here balance sheet asset side you are getting 1,10,000. So now revaluation account is completed, partners capital account is completed, and after this balance sheet is completed. And when balance sheet is completed, clearly I have shown here what is the treatment of the goodwill. Total goodwill of the firm 14,000. We have to find out the retiring partner's share of goodwill, which will be compensated by A and C. So now A and C, because A and C taking over B's share, that's why AC will be debited, B's capital will be created in their gaining ratio 4:3 and it will be posted as a contra entry in the partner's capital account. Now by A and C under the B and to B's capital account under A and C. Later we get the balancing figure, and this balancing figure we will have to put in the liability side. B's loan, it will become the liability. So balance sheet of A and C after B's reconstructed balance sheet you may write new balance sheet of A and C as on clearly date is mentioned. Just write down your date and later we will be complete. So this question is completed now by preparation of revaluation, partners capital and balance sheet. Okay. Understood this fact?